My video is about getting rid of the browser notifications that are related to the website called yourmatshop.com. Yourmatshop.com is a malicious website. Currently, it displays fake alerts that try to make people click on a special allow button, supposedly to help you confirm that you are not a robot. When people click on allow, this very moment the browser is hijacked with multiple advertisements that will be attacking the screen from time to time. And these ads are really annoying. They may point you to many other shady and deceptive pages that may infect your system. If you have mistakenly clicked on allow, you should urgently fix your browser. So access the menu, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings. In Permissions, choose Notifications and carefully research the sites which are allowed to send notifications. When you find these malicious sites, you should remove them from the list. This is the manual solution to actually fix your browser. But I also recommend that you investigate your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and begin researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.